I originally started to play the gong to help people relax at the end of my yoga class. But in that process, I discovered that many people were saying, that gong is so healing. I've had a lot of things working with it that gong seemed to have helped me with. And I began to realize that the gong is really such a powerful healing instrument. It can be used with a person one-on-one. So gong therapy is the process of learning how to play the gong, how to work with a client, how to educate them, and how to address what they're trying to work through with their own healing journey. So in gong therapy, you actually learn how to set up what I call a gong therapy session, how to do an interview, how to design what you wish to play the gong, certain things that people can do to help them use that sound to go deeper into their healing journey. And this is really, I think, a wonderful thing if you desire to work one-on-one and to help individuals through their process of healing with the sound of the gong. While it's helpful to have some gong playing experience, of course, this is also made for people who are already doing healing work, therapists, other healers of some sort, that wish to use sound healing along with their own modality and profession. During this course, you'll learn how to put together a gong therapy session in a very practical, step-by-step manner. After we've done that, then you will be asked to play a gong therapy session for one person in your life to have that experience of giving a therapeutic gong session. Then you're ready to go. I hope you'll join me for gong therapy and learn how to use the gong in a way you have never used it before.